Hello everyone, this is Devleena and I'm your mindful strategic thought leader and a clinical psychologist. I specialize in couple therapy and family counseling, and today I want to talk about hope for 2021. Yes, 2020 has been a very trying time for each one of us at our own levels. Some have been able to cope with it better than the others, but more or less, by and large, most people have struggled with it in some aspect or the other. How do we change it to better? What are some of the realizations we've had in 2020 with which we can make 2021 much more meaningful? I realize, since I'm a relationship expert, since I call myself a relationship specialist, I'm going to talk about how we can change our perspective to a better relationship with oneself and with others in 2021. Keeping in mind, I'm talking about urban Indian young men and women. So let's just go through this video, and in the next videos as well, I'll be talking about different aspects of change in 2021. So we are looking at better mental health for 2021. The first one that we need to change in our relationship with others is this whole concept of emotionally taking one another for granted, emotionally taking one another for a ride, not being emotionally in tune with one's own self. We realize this lockdown, this pandemic, this whole COVID situation made us realize that there were things which we could deal better with. There were things which are not so effective in our lives, which are not so working smoothly in our lives in terms of emotions, our ability to handle these emotions. And if we are aware of it, only then can we change it. My job is to bring about this awareness by discussing it. We all know it. When I talk about things, I talk about it from purely the perspective of my experience as a therapist. I don't talk about bookish knowledge or information available on the net. So keeping that in mind, some very common things we do in relationships which makes it difficult, which makes it non-fulfilling. If we bring it to our awareness, then we can always change it. And if we change it, our 2021 onwards will definitely start looking so much better, nicer, fulfilling for ourselves and others. The first one is, if we do this to another or someone in a loving relationship does this with us, that is silent treatment. When you don't like something about someone, when you don't like something about a situation, do you go silent? Do you start playing emotionally unavailable or just difficult to understand, difficult to communicate with? Now, if you do this or someone else does this for you or with you, you must realize that this is a kind of malfunctioning behavior or toxic behavior which we need to consciously change. And if someone else is doing this with us, we need to communicate that giving one another that silent treatment is not the way to solving any problem. So next time you are met with a silent treatment in a relationship, you need to call out on this person that let's not do this to one another. Let's sit face each other and communicate what we want from each other.